Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically schedule your Mac to shut down. Sometimes we forget to shut down the Mac and it keeps running in the background. This can drain the battery and also keep unnecessary background processes active. So instead of shutting it down manually every time, you can schedule your Mac to shut down automatically. Currently, macOS does not give a direct shutdown scheduling option inside system settings. So there are two simple ways to do this. The first method is using terminal. The second method is using a shortcut which is easier if you do not want to use commands. Let's start with the terminal method. Open terminal on your Mac. Now enter this command sudo shutdown -h plus 20. Here, 20 means your Mac will shut down after 20 minutes. You can change this number based on when you want your Mac to shut down. For example, if you want your Mac to shut down after 2 hours, you need to convert 2 hours into minutes. 2 hours is 120 minutes. So you need to enter 120 instead of 20. So the command will be sudo shutdown -h plus 120. After entering the command, press return. Your Mac may ask for your password. Enter your Mac password and press return again. Now your Mac shutdown is scheduled. If you want to cancel the scheduled shutdown, open terminal again. Now enter this command sudo kill all shutdown. This will cancel the scheduled shutdown on your Mac. That is the terminal method. It is simple, but it is not perfect for everyone. You need to remember the command convert hours into minutes and run it manually whenever you want to schedule a shutdown. Also, if you want to schedule shutdowns for specific weekdays or repeat them every week, terminal may feel complicated for beginners. That is why we created a shortcut. You can find the shortcut link in the video description. Download it and add it to the Shortcuts app on your Mac. Once it is added, you can place it on your desktop or keep it inside the Shortcuts app. Now, whenever you want to schedule a shutdown, simply open the shortcut and tap the play button. From there, you can select the exact time when you want your Mac to shut down. You can switch between AM and PM. You can increase or decrease the time. You can also select the date, month, and year. And if you want your Mac to shut down automatically on specific weekdays, you can select those weekdays inside the shortcut. For example, you can schedule your Mac to shut down every night from Monday to Friday. You can also customize it further based on your routine. This method is much easier if you do not want to use terminal every time. So, quick recap. If you want a quick one-time shutdown, open terminal and use the shutdown command. If you want an easier method with time, date, and weekday options, use the shortcut from the description. These are the two easiest ways to automatically schedule a shutdown on your Mac. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful Mac tutorials like this, subscribe to our TechPP channel.